Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add dual clock widget on home screen in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to add dual clock widget on your home screen, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you must have to keep a long press on any empty place on your home screen. From here, just select widgets, then go for clock, tap on it. Now scroll down and look for dual clock. Just like this, just select the clock which you want to add. I'm going to add this one. Just tap on it, then tap on add. So it will be added to your home screen. You can easily resize it if you want. So from here, you can easily change the clock. As you can see, here's my own clock which I have, and the second clock. Just tap on it to change the location of your dual clock. So that's how you can easily add dual clock widget on your home screen in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.